Dozens of healthcare workers out there will now have one less thing to worry about. They're getting a place to stay free of charge while they work on the front lines of the pandemic. And this home away from home will help ease their fears about possibly bringing the virus home, a big concern amongst many working the front lines. NBC6 reporter Dan Grossman joins us live from Miami with the details tonight. Dan.
Yeah, Juan, you just say, so many of these workers are making such a big sacrifice. Not only are they exposing themselves to degrees of this virus that none of us in the public are exposed to, they're doing it at the expense of their family. So many staying away as to not bring the disease home. Now, instead of using offices, cars as a place to sleep, they get a little help. At first glance, a vacant apartment might offer little appeal. The appliances, beds, neatly folded towels, but no sense of home. It's a word few frontline medical workers can currently relate to, as it is no longer a place of comfort and safety, rather one that offers risk and uncertainty.
I did hear about some nurses that were trying to keep away from their family by sleeping in their cars, and that's, it's really heartbreaking.
When Miami Commissioner Ken Russell heard that, he made a call.
Everyone's trying to look for ways that we can help.
Anna Milton, who owns several condos around Miami-Dade, was on the other end, and together they made a pact. Let hospital workers stay in 300 otherwise vacant apartments indefinitely and free of charge. For healthcare workers, it's a tangible solution. For people like Ken, it's a symbolic triumph.
Sometimes it takes something of this magnitude to make people be human again and get past all of the rhetoric and the deep divide. I've really found my role in this moment is just trying to find those who are in need and find those who want to help and bring them together. It's been so organic beyond that because the will is there and the need is there.
The units will be available weekly for however long these workers need. An elevator and 3 floors exclusively dedicated to them as to not infect the other residents. A place that might not be home, but the next best thing.
I'm just really, really proud to be a Miamian right now. The spirit of Miami is really shining. People are really stepping up to help, really taking care of our healthcare workers, and they deserve it.
It's a really nice gesture. Ken and Anna wanted to make it very clear that the need here for housing for medical care workers extends far beyond just the workers here at JMH. They are pleading, asking anyone from condo associations to landlords, anyone with vacancies, to consider offering them up to medical care workers in need. Reporting live from JMH tonight, Dan Grossman, NBC6 News.